Are you having problems to log in into your Duet Dating App account and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Duet Dating App, and instead you're going to open up your settings app on your phone, because then you should be taken to a page, I would say very similar to this. And in here, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to click where it says general in here. So just click on general. And as you can see, it should now take you to this page, which is great. So now on this page, just scroll down a little bit and then click where it says storage, as you can see. So now on this page, you're just going to wait for all the apps in here to load, and you will be able to see all the apps in here, as you can see. Now, when it's done, just scroll up in here. And then as you can see on the top, you can see a search bar, right? So click on it. Search for Duet in here and just click on the Duet app, and then just click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button where it says Reinstall app once again in here. So click on the blue button here again, as you can see, and basically what will happen now is that your Duet Dating app will automatically update to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do to try to fix this issue. So basically, I just waited for it to completely load to the latest version. I went back, and now the bug that I wasn't able to log in was fixed for me. But if it still is not working for you, it might be that you have, for example, forgotten your password. So if it says like incorrect password or incorrect details or something like that, you can always reset your password. So just click on the button where it says reset your password and just follow the instructions after that. And hopefully that will be able to fix it for you.